We are live. Market updates. We're having a very red day in the crypto market today, guys. The market is dumping to gobbling town. Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the general crypto market. Where is the market heading in the coming days and in the coming weeks? If you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section. We'll be answering questions at the end of the live stream. Right now, Bitcoin is dumping to gobbling town right now. The altcoin market is also dumping to gobbling town. A lot of people are asking the question, are we still going to see alt season even on the weekly time frame? We are seeing altcoins dumping to gobbling town. Where are we heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Sentiment in the market right now is neutral. We saw greed in the cryptocurrency market. Is the relief rally over? Are we going to continue dumping to gobbling town in this bear market? We'll be taking a look at news stories happening in the crypto world. We'll also be taking a look at sentiments in the market and other metrics in the market to tell us where we should expect to see the market going in the coming days and the coming weeks. Bitcoin dominance is still chilling around that 47% region. If we see Bitcoin dominance dumping further down to gobbling town, that might be good news for all coins. But guys, right now, we are still dumping, and just believe we're going to see a pump to the upside. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Let's get down to business. Red day in the crypto market, red week in the crypto market. We're also having a red month in the crypto market. Few cons I see pointing to the upside. Injective is still up 80% on the monthly time frame. Casper is up 61%. Render token, one of the biggest losers today, is still up 27% on a monthly time frame. But in total, the market is seeing a dump to the downside. It would have been predicted. We saw meme tokens pumping to higher prices. We saw Pepe pumping. We saw a lot of meme coins just pumping in the last 1 week, and most times that's the sign that we're coming to an end of a rally. And we saw Bitcoin get to as high as $31,000. A lot of people are already drawing comparison to what Bitcoin is doing now to what we did in April of 2021. In April of 2021, the altcoin market was pumping to higher prices. Bitcoin got to as high as $64,000. But after Bitcoin got $64,000, we saw a dump to gobbling town. Let's take a look at what happened in April of 2021. In April 2021, Bitcoin got to $64,000. Then we saw that dump that took Bitcoin to $47,000, and then this is where the real stuff happened. We saw altcoins pumping up as Bitcoin had a retracement. Bitcoin had a 702 retracement before we started our dump to gobbling town. So will Bitcoin give us a 702 retracement right now, or will Bitcoin just start the dump to gobbling town? If Bitcoin in this bear market rally is going to give us a 702 retracement, we should expect to see Bitcoin trading maybe at the $30,000 region. Let me go to the 4-hour region. I still believe Bitcoin is in an uptrend. This is just a temporary pullback. You see Bitcoin was finding support around this $28,000 level, but right now it looks as if we're losing that level. We're just trading back where we were trading on the 9th of April 2023. So we saw a lot of shorts getting squeezed to the upside. Right now we're seeing longs getting squeezed to the downside. Maybe when all this slump is over, we'll now get ready to start pumping towards $25,000. Because guys, if Bitcoin starts breaking critical support level, if you see Bitcoin going below $26,000, as some analysts are already predicting the market, we might see more dump towards gobbling town. But if Bitcoin bounce off this level, maybe we'll find support at the $27,000 level. Maybe we will find support at $26,600. We can still see Bitcoin pumping back to $30,000 or going further. But right now, there's fear in the market. People still have bear market PTSD. A lot of people have seen the market dumping for majority of the last 18 months. We only started the year on a very bright note. If we take a look at what Bitcoin has been doing before we take a look at the altcoin market, Bitcoin since the turn of the year just started around $15,500. Bitcoin was trading on the 1st of January by around $16,000. So Bitcoin since the start of the year is up more than 70%. So even though we're dumping, right now we're still up in the moon, and this might just be a pullback. I don't think the rally is over. Guys, we saw Bitcoin dumping since November of 2021. We have dumped since November of 2021. We finally found a bottom in November of 2022. We have taken 380 days to dump. Pumping to the upside, we have only pumped for around 147 days. If you take a look at the crypto fear and greed index right now in the market, the crypto fear and greed index is telling us we're in neutral. We have seen the crypto fear and greed index head towards greed. It even got to as high as 69, but I've not seen that extreme greed in the market, guys. If you see that extreme greed come to the market, if you see Bitcoin start rallying above $30,000, maybe getting to as high as $35,000, that might just be a telltale sign that this rally is coming to an end. But if you see Bitcoin don't hold support right now, the rally might be over already, but I still believe we'll still see one more pump to the upside for altcoins. The altcoin season index has been one index we have been tracking on this channel, and guys, the altcoin season index is heavily in the Bitcoin season right now, which means you should accumulate altcoins. We might see altcoins pumping to higher prices in the coming days and the coming weeks. But if we go on the monthly time frame, we can see that capital is slowly leaving the Bitcoin market already and slowly working its way towards the altcoin market. And in the coming days and the coming weeks, this alt season they're always waiting for always happens very, very quickly. Guys, in 30 days to 6 weeks, we can just see the altcoin market going crazy. We have seen it before. It's going to happen again. You just have to be prepared. We're already seeing early signs of alt season. Let's take a look at news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Bitcoin price fills CME future gaps, but forecast says $25,000 maybe next. Bitcoin price risks more downside, with $28,000 now a key level to hold in order to avoid the return to the mid 20,000s. Bitcoin hits new intraday lows on April 21st as traders warn that 25,000 may be next. Some people are already scared in the market. Shout out to MRGR. We'll check that altcoin later. ADX. We'll check out what ADX is doing. People are scared in the market already. Some traders are predicting we might see Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks dump towards $25,000. We'll take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Guys, right now, Bitcoin is still #1 king of the market, but Bitcoin is down 7.7% in the last 7 days. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the market, with a market cap of $226 billion, is down 9.26 in the last 7 days. Other big movers in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization in the last 7 days, we have XRP is down 11%, Polygon Matic down 10%, Solana down 10%. The market is looking as if it's getting ready for one big move to the upside, guys. For us to pump to the high side, we have to see some dumps gobbling down. It's just like you want to jump to higher places, you have to squat a little, and I believe that's what's happening. Yes, we might be getting to the end of this rally, but maybe, just maybe, we're still going to get that one final pump to the upside. Despite regulatory clarity, Hong Kong crypto ETFs experience lukewarm demand. The trading volume of all Hong Kong crypto ETFs averaged about $1.19 million between December and early February. What's happening? That's what happens in the bear market. Mo is asking how low will Dent drop. We'll be taking a look at Dent and ADX in the end of the stream. All coins can be dumping, but guys, remember, since the start of the year, all coins are still up and they might be pumping to higher prices. Bitcoin Lightning Network is 1,000x cheaper than Visa and MasterCard. Glassnode data demonstrates that Lightning Network outperforms traditional payment network in terms of commission. Now let's take a look at some altcoins in the market. We'll take a look at Dent and ADX. Let's start with ADX. Were requested by MRG Arun. ADX. Let's see what ADX is doing in the market today. ADX. I hope this is the right coin. We're checking Dent next. Well, ADX is dumping to gobbling town. We saw it pump to as high as what? $0.27. And since the start of the year, it has actually been pumping to higher prices. 3rd January on a very bright note, going up by 174%. Right now, it's still up around 70% from the start of the year. We might still see it dump lower, maybe getting to as low as $0.16. Let's take a look at Dent. What's Dent doing right now in the market? Dent is one of those altcoins that pump very, very well when the market is pumping. The only downside to Dent is that when the market is dumping, it also dumps really well to gobbling town. And take a look at what Dent has done since the start of the year. We started the year on a very bright note. Also, Dent went from the $0.0058 region, rallying up, but it faced bear market resistance on the 19th of February. But Dent is still up. It's still up 77% from when we started the year. And the whole market is just pulling back. I still believe in the coming days and the coming weeks, we'll see all coins maybe have one push to the upside. We might see Dent finally break above the $0.014 region, pumping to higher prices. These are targets we're watching out for Dent in the coming days and the coming weeks. Remember, guys, we're still in the bear market, and the bear market is designed to get you to buy higher and to sell lower. So remember, Don't go and be selling when the market is dumping just because you're scared. The game you are playing right here is a game between fear and greed. You don't want to get too fearful. You don't want to get too greedy. If you take a look at liquidation data in the last 24 hours, a lot of people using leverage in the cryptocurrency market. Over $122 million have been liquidated from traders. Over 33,000 traders have been liquidated in the last 24 hours. Well, the single largest liquidation happening on Wobi. One trader was liquidated for over $6.94 million. Be careful out there, guys. You can easily lose all your money if you don't know how to use leverage. Ethereum name service adds fiat payments for ENS domain registration. Ethereum name service has integrated fiat payment options for new decentralized domain registration in new partnership with MoonPay. Now let's take a look at king of all coins in the market, Ethereum. Right now, Ethereum is trading around $1,886. We have seen Bitcoin even go below $28,000. Bitcoin is trading around the $27,900 region. I still believe we might still see Ethereum find support around $1,822. Looks as if Ethereum has a very strong support there. If that level doesn't hold, we might see Ethereum dumping to as low as $1,600. Remember, guys, if Bitcoin doesn't start pumping, we might just see the altcoin market start dumping to higher prices. As we saw Ethereum break into higher prices first time, Ethereum was getting above $2,100 since May of 2022. We can still see Ethereum rallying to that $2,400 level, but that might just mean we're getting to the end of the rally, guys. When we get to the end of the rally, you see people shouting we're going to the moon, and then everybody will believe that the bull market is back. Right now, there's still a lot of skepticism in the market. Right now, people are still doubting the pump. Bitcoin is up more than 100% from the bottom. People still don't believe we can pump to higher prices. People are expecting us to dump to lower prices. Guys, that's what you see in the bear market. But if we continue pumping to higher prices, then we might just see extreme greed return to the market. And when extreme greed returns to the market, all coins will start taking off front, left, and center. SEC brute force crypto regulation attempts is bad policy paradigm. The venture capital frame pointed out the fundamental difference between crypto assets and security. That battle has been ongoing in the US for a very long time. Is crypto a security, or is crypto a commodity? The SEC is trying to argue that it's a security so that they can have control over it. The CFTC is trying to say it's a commodity so that they can have control over it. But one thing is for sure, one government agency in the US will be regulating crypto in the coming days and in the coming weeks. If we take a look at total crypto market cap, excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum, currently sitting around $372 billion. As the altcoin market is dumping, guys, don't get scared. We're just trading exactly where we were trading on the 10th of April 2023. So nothing crazy is happening in the market just yet. It's just because we have pumped high. A lot of people are scared. They've seen their altcoins dump 10%, 20%. Guys, for you to survive in this market, you have to agree there's going to be a lot of pumps along the way. There's going to be a lot of dumps along the way. Let me take you back to the bull market. Even though the bull market, we had a lot of green candles, we still had a lot of scary moments in the bull market. We had moments in time where we were seeing 30, 40% dump across the whole market. This was a 25% dump. This was when all coins were accumulating, even getting ready to pump to higher prices. And after that November period of 2020, we saw the whole market go up by more than 800%. Now let's take a look at what we are doing in 2023. Since the turn of the year, we have seen the total crypto market cap minus Bitcoin and Ethereum go up by around 42%. From where we're currently trading, we are still up 30% from when we started the year. A lot of people think you make money quickly with crypto. Yes, but that's partially true. You can easily lose so much money with crypto. And guys, don't marry your portfolio. The money comes, the money goes. You are playing a game, tokens versus dollars. If you believe in the projects you're holding for the long haul, when the market starts pumping, you will be happy you did. Investing is a long-term game. You can't outtrade the market. The more you trade, the more you lose. So be very, very careful. And right now, when we're seeing dumps like this is the time you're supposed to be scooping some on the dip. But remember, crypto is very volatile and you can lose all your money investing. Crypto firms alleged to have faked executives using AIs and actors. Cali regulator. The regulator is cracking down on higher yield investment products, saying the program raised hype with the promise of high return before even going dark. There's a lot of scams going out there, guys. AI is in vogue right now. Some people are actually using AI as company workers. We're hearing that some crypto firms have faked executives using AI as an actor. Pretty crazy. That's why they call crypto market the Wild Wild West. Total crypto market cap sits at $1.14 trillion. In the coming days and coming weeks, we either dump into the $1 trillion level, or we might gather ourselves up and rally back to the $1.255 trillion level we got to in April 13, 2023. To make so much sense for us to dump back to that $1 trillion region, we were stuck below the $1 trillion region since August of 2022. We finally found a way and worked our way up. We got rejected, finally pumped to the $1.25 trillion level, and I'll not be shocked if we find support at that $1 trillion region. I strongly believe if we see that rally coming to an end, we might see the market getting to as high as $1.5 trillion. But for that to happen from what we're currently trading, we will see the whole market rallying up by 28% to the upside. And knowing how volatile the market can be, these rallies can happen very, very quickly. Other news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world: Ukraine plans to adopt EU new currency regulations immediately after passing the European Parliament. Ukrainian authorities announced plans to adopt the EU's MiCA regulations on crypto assets. If we take a look at the top gainers and the top losers in the last 24 hours in the cryptocurrency market, in the gainer section, we have Zilliqa, Bitcoin SV, eCash, Killing, Basic Attention, and BNB. In the loser section, we have Render Token down 19%, BitTorrent down 5%, JMX down 5%, Torchain down 3%, and DYDX down 3.5%. $190 billion Ontario pension says no to crypto after FTX investment loss. The pension fund has invested twice in now-bankrupt crypto exchange, once during the peak of the bull run and again early in 2022. Yeah, sorry to them. They lost some money in crypto, but crypto is here to stay. This is why you have to do your research before you invest in any crypto project. But shout out to all people that lost money in FTX. It was not your fault. The guy just decided to scam a lot of crypto participants. Former Ethereum miners CoreWeaver raised $221 million in Series B. The company ceases its Ethereum mining operation long before the merge upgrade was completed. And right now, we have heard that they have raised $221 million, putting the company on track to expand operations and increase capacity in various emerging technologies. Bitcoin dominance in the market got to as high as 49% on the 10th of April 2023. But guys, we're gearing up. If you're in the altcoin market, for Bitcoin dominance to dump to Goblin Town, that's what will make altcoins have that big pump to the upside that we're waiting for. If we're drawing comparison to Bitcoin, what it was doing in April of 2013, we saw Bitcoin April of 2021, on the 13th of April 2021, Bitcoin dominance was around the 55% region, and Bitcoin dominance in the coming days and the coming weeks dumped aggressively. So is that what will happen right now in the altcoin market? Is that what will happen to Bitcoin dominance? If we see Bitcoin dominance dumping in the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, get ready to see your altcoins pumping to higher prices. But remember, in the bear market, Bitcoin dominance goes higher. In the bear market, Bitcoin dominance is known to be increasing because in the bear market, people trust Bitcoin more than they trust altcoins. Proof of reserve bill passes Texan House of Representatives. Digital asset providers will be restricted from commingling customers' funds with any other type of operational capital. That's good to see. A lot of problems that happened in the previous bull run was a lot of firms were using customer funds. That's what led to FTX collapse. That's what led to 3ACs issue liquidations and all. Right now, proof of reserve bill passes in Texas House of Representatives, and the crypto unicorn index which shows us the number of crypto projects having a market cap of over $1 billion has gone down to 51. This is the lowest we have seen the crypto unicorn index go since March 2023. So this is the new monthly low for the crypto unicorn index. If we see all coins pumping to higher prices, we might see us break to new highs. But we broke to new highs. We got to 58 on the 18th of April. That was the highest we have seen the altcoin on the crypto unicorn index go since August of 2022. If we see the index increasing, it means the altcoin market is healthy. The US dollar currency index, which shows us what's happening with the dollar. The dollar is very important in the cryptocurrency market and in international trade. The dollar is still holding support around 100.728 region. If we see the dollar dumping, which I think it will do in coming days and coming weeks, we might just see the altcoin market having that one final pump to the upside. If the dollar maybe just maybe continue pumping to higher prices. Maybe we'll have a temporary pullback and see Bitcoin get to as low as $25,000. But right now, there's nothing bullish about the dollar. Right now, it looks as if the dollar is heading for one more trip down to Goblin Town. Germany flags big plans for Asia with Indian hub and regional CEO. The exchange reports its new Indian engineering hub will be second in size to its hub in the United States. Over half of Americans fear major impacts by AI on workers. That's what survey is saying. More respondents says AI will hurt American workers more than to help them over the next 20 years. Guys, technology is here to stay. You have to just use AI to your advantage. We've seen AI coins pop, crypto, anything that is pumping, we'll see people creating tokens for them. But I believe in the next bull run, we might see the AI narrative take shape. We might see a lot of new AI coins that will be pumping to higher prices. But right now, the market is very, very bearish. That's if you're looking at it just because of the bubbles. On a larger time frame, I believe we're pumping to higher prices. But today, the market is dumping. On a weekly time frame, the market is dumping. On a monthly time frame, the market is dumping, even though some coins are still pumping to the upside. And surely but surely, on a yearly time frame, the market is also dumping. And if you're a follower of this channel, if you have been subscribed to this channel for a long haul, you remember we all like to buy the dump on this channel. Anytime the market is dumping, that's the time we go shopping. Anytime the market is dumping, that's when you want to be accumulating. You want to sell all those green bubbles when they appear, and you want to buy all those green bubbles when you have the opportunity. The game you are playing is between greed and fear, and sentiment in the market is telling us right now we are neutral. The bulls cannot decide and the bears cannot decide. In the coming days and the coming weeks, we might just see us pump to higher prices. Guys, take a look at what Bitcoin has done. This is very, very funny. Anytime this happens in the crypto market, I just look back and say, why are people scared? Bitcoin was trading around $27,000 on the 9th of April 2023. Let's take a look at what the Crypto Fear and Greed Index was doing on the 9th of April 2023. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index was showing us a value of 61. It was telling us there was greed in the market. Right now, we're trading around 27,800, and guess what? There's no greed in the market. People can't decide whether the market is bullish or whether the market is bearish. Guys, I just think this is just a pullback. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see the market heading to in the coming days and in the coming weeks? Do you see us pumping to higher prices? Do you see that alt season that is talked about happening anytime soon? Let's take a look at more news stories happening in the crypto world. Worst code I've ever seen. Euro stablecoins faces centralization criticism. Some pundits share harsh sentiment towards a new Euro peg stablecoins, but it's not publicly accessible for the time being. The codes of the stablecoins was released, and a lot of people that could read codes were saying this is the worst code they have ever seen written. When will the government get anything right? Crypto exchange Roku received South African approval to expand operation. Nigerian crypto exchange Roku has received the green light to operate in South Africa, providing an on and off ramp to South African rand currency. And TransUnion to begin providing identity protected credit scoring for DeFi lending. The American Credit Reporting Agency is teaming up with Spring Labs and Quata for a new service that should make DeFi borrowing easier and less risky. Industry leaders and policymaker reacts to passage of MiCA in EU. Many lauded the bill approval, suggesting that its anticipated passage could leave the United States at a disadvantage for attracting crypto firms and investments. United States looks as if they are having troubles deciding whether crypto is an asset or it's a security. They're always suing all the crypto companies. I believe when the whole world caught up to crypto, they'll get their ass together. But right now, I don't know what they're doing to themselves. Brazilian authorities investigate Binance for guiding clients past top order. The Brazilian SEC has reportedly turned over screenshots from Binance Brazilian websites with instructions for evading a stop place on future trading on the site. It looks as if Binance is getting in trouble in many countries. We have seen them get in trouble in the United States. Now we are seeing them get in trouble in Brazil. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think we'll continue dumping further down to Goblin Town? Bitcoin's at $27,800. Do you think Bitcoin will find support anytime soon? Or do you think $25,000 is a possibility? If you take a look at King of Altcoins in the market, trading around $1,800. Drop your thoughts. Do you think we can dump back to as low as $1,600? Or are we gearing up for that pump towards $2,500? I believe all season is coming. Tell me, do you see all season happening, or has all season come and gone already? Thank you for watching this video. Guys, you can check out the channel. We release videos every day on various altcoins. You can check our portfolio update if you want to learn how to manage your portfolio. And we usually have market updates like this regularly. We're still going to have one over the weekend. Happy weekend, everybody. Follow us on all social media platforms, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Telegram. Ask Mr. Legend Crypto. We'll be dropping latest new update. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video. Bye.